Good evening, I'm Meteorologist Jenna Petracci here with your Atmocenter forecast. It's the last day of sunshine here in the Gulf Coast. Down at Gulf Shores, there were a lot of people down at the beach today. Oh, that person having a good time in the water. It's probably still pretty chilly water conditions, but at least the sun was out and shining today. 72 degrees, and that's pretty consistent for the rest of us. 72 as well in Fairhope, 75 in Mobile, a little bit warmer up in Frisco City at 77. Now, when it comes to radar, most of us are still dry, but if we look over to the west, we can see some pop-up thunderstorms starting to show up in Mississippi, and that's part of a larger system that we're going to be dealing with over the next few days. We can see we're already in a flood warning for parts of Mobile River area and those low-lying areas, and notice that lasts until Sunday at 1 in the morning, and that's because we're going to have a few days in a row of consistent heavy downpours. So areas around here, around Mobile River that are very susceptible to flooding are going to have that as a concern all the way through the weekend. SBC Outlook has us in a slight and marginal risk for tomorrow into early Friday, and that's going to cause a risk of severe weather. Now, the main concerns are going to be high winds and flooding. Now, there is still a chance of tornadoes and hail, but it's not going to be that likely with this system. Cold front here positioned in Missouri down through Texas, and we can see those very heavy showers happening right now around Arkansas and Louisiana, and that's what it's going to be moving into our area tonight and tomorrow. You can see the cold front starting to approach us, and by Thursday at 4 in the morning, showers making their way into our Mississippi counties, and then by 6 in the morning, unfortunately right around your morning commute time is when we're going to have some of those heavy downpours and possibly some severe weather. Now, this is going to stick around all the way through 8 a.m. over Mobile and Baldwin County, 10:30 a.m. just leaving Baldwin County, starting to make its way into Okaloosa and Escambia County. And we can see that cold front here. It's sort of lifting out of the area, not quite passing through. Then we're going to have some moisture move in from the Gulf, spotty showers and cloud cover, and that'll last all the way through Friday. We can see very heavy clouds in the area, spotty showers throughout the day, and then another system going to be affecting us, another low pressure with a cold front going to be moving in on the weekend, producing even more rain on Saturday. Now, future view rainfall totals for the next few days, not seeing anything too crazy, but keep in mind we did have that flood warning already happening. So if there's already flooding going on with Mobile River, just any amount of rain on top of that is going to produce a bit of a concern. So definitely be careful out there around this area, around the river area and all those low-lying areas when it comes to flooding. Be careful on the roads. Forecast lows tonight is going to be staying pretty mild, all in the mid-60s for all of us tonight, and going to be heating up to the 80s. Fortunately, can't really enjoy it because we do have these thunderstorm icons for the majority of us, but yes, 81 in Jackson, 81 in Lucedale, 79 in Mobile, 78 in Daphne, and a little bit warmer in cooler at 73 in Pensacola. Over the next few days, we can see very high chances of rain reaching 100% on Saturday. Not what you want to see for your Saturday. Unfortunately, this weekend's definitely just going to be a washout. Then as we go into Sunday, rain chances will start to go down. Temperatures still staying warm till Tuesday. Then we'll have another cold front coming, dropping us down to 56. Yes, that's right. It's still going to be a little bit chilly. We're not fully into those warm spring temperatures yet. And overnight lows reaching back down to the 30s on Tuesday.